Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Now today we are going to learn social science, civics on equality class 7. My dears, today we are discussed about recaps. My dear students, equality in Indian democracy. Students, on equality, this includes people's participation, the resolution of conflict and equality and justice. Equality is a key of democracy and influences all aspects its functioning. Students, now we are discuss about first point, equal right to vote. In this, everyone has a right to vote, like an educated, uneducated, poor, all different type of people. Everyone has right. Poor or rich, every person, different castes also, different religions also, Hindu, Muslim, whatever their caste, religions or sex. Okay, my students, we are discuss about this point, other kind of equality. In this equality, some educated people, they not believing caste. Now, let's take an example. My students, a Dalit child in the school, there is a compromise between other caste children and Dalits. Dalit child is sitting on the floor and other caste students sitting on a mat. Like this, another example of book which is written by Om Prakash Valmiki, who is a famous writer of Dalit. He has written books on Dalit is Juthan. He describes in a book Dalit problem, etc. Next, my students, recognizing dignity. When the persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. People want their dignity, respect, but no one is respect of poor people. I am repeat again, my students. When persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. People want their dignity, respect, but no one is respect of poor people. Now, my students, this points equality in Indian democracy. In Indian democracy, it recognizes every person as equal. This means that every includes in the country, including male and female. Persons from all castes, religious, tribes, educational and economic backgrounds and are recognized as equal. The two was in which the government has tries to implement equality that is guaranteed in the constitution is first to laws, and the government programs or schemes to help disadvantaged community. So students, we have learned 1, 2, 3, 4 point clear. Now new point have we are learning. Fifth point, issues of equality in other democracies. My student, Rose Parks was an African woman tired from a long day at work. She refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white man on 1st December 1955. Students, African American were treated and which come to be known as civil rights movement. Civil rights movement. Civil rights movement. After his movement, government changed their rules. Student going to school and there is no partiality. Students, I again repeat now, please be careful. Issues of equality in another democracies. My students, Rose Parks was an African woman tired from a long day at work. She refused to give up her seat on a bus to white man on 1st December 1955. African American were treated, and which came to be known as the Civil Rights Movement. After this movement, government changed their rule, students going to school, and there is no partiality. Okay, my dear? Now, 6th point, challenge on democracy. My students, challenge on democracy. There are always communities and individuals trying to expand the ideas of democracy and push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as new issues. I repeat, my students, 6th point. There are always communities and individuals trying to be equal, the idea of democracy, and push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as new issues. My student, we discussed here 6th point, 1 to 6 points completed. Now we will discuss next time, inshallah. Okay, my students, now take care. Okay.